Do you want to say hi, guys?
Cake. Cake.
What do you want for breakfast? Want to say hi, guys? Wait for the beep. Wait. You didn't wait for it. Wait, ready?
Cake.
Yeah, ready? Wait for the beep. Listen for the beep. Wait. It's cooked. Go. Yay. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Cake. Yum. Yeah.
Cake. Cake.
Yeah.
Cake.
Yummy cake.
Yum.
Oh yeah, I'll take him to the dawn service. The dawn service that happened how many hours ago? Today is Anzac Day in Australia. Anzac, Australian and New Zealand Army Corps. I would know that because I was a cadet.
Wow.
Army Reserve.
Yeah.
Just in case you wanted to know. Can build a hoochie tent, shoot a rifle. Practically in the military. Someone thinks it's really funny. But I was a corporal. And we were at dawn service every year. We were at dawn service every year. And we were doing the military guard. The slow military guard. And my best friend Melissa was also a corporal and she was used to faint. Because you had to like stand on the four corners of the... He's laughing at me. Do you not believe me?
I believe you.
It's serious. I can show you pictures. Practically a lieutenant. Wait, no, that's not good. Practically a captain. Captain is the best. No, wait, a major. Major JERUSHA. Okay, we are heading to upload at the office. We're back to that again because I gotta get it uploaded fast. So that's what's happening. That is what's happening. As I said earlier, it is Anzac Day, so every single thing is shut. Anzac Day is a public holiday for Australians, so that's nice. So we're gonna head and upload together. Yes! Zooby Newport is open! Old school. That's so cool. Old school biplane. My new is so cute. My new Slinky Dog. Marcy would love him because he's like Slinky Dog from Toy Story. Yes. Do it. Hi. Yeah. Thanks so much. So good. Yeah. So glad you guys are open. Oh my god. There you go. Thank you. You too. Bye.
Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, it's so frustrating. Is there lunch well?
Happy chappy. But I have just parked. I've just parked my husband in. This is what I like to do. This is a marital trick that I'm teaching you for any future brides out there. If you would like your husband to do something on the spot, do something tricky like parking them in, maybe take their car keys. take their trousers so they can't leave the house until they take the rubbish. Yeah, it's a threat. And you're essentially conning them, like you're putting them in a locked situation. But I've parked him in so that, I shall show you, so that, ding, the tiles, all those tiles in the back of this car come out. So we locked him in. Bribery. Wants to get out, tiles have to come out. Go! Say? Hi guys! What did you say? Oh, what did you say? Hi guys. Okay, finish. We finished cooking. We finished cooking. Shut. Did you say hi guys? Hi guys. Why did Daddy put you in your pajamas? Are you reading your books? This kid. This is the back of our laundry. Seriously. He needs 24-hour surveillance. He bought his Ferrari. Just threw it over the edge of the stairs. Spiky. Very spiky there. Okay, you dig a hole. See if you can dig a hole all the way to China. Okay, bye friend.
This?
No, the bee was over there.
There.
It's a nut. Okay, how about you come over this way and you can dig the dirt here. Okay, come on. Yeah, rocks. You can get and move your spade. Get your rocks. Okay. Good one. Yes. We get to road test the new Starbucks mug I picked up yesterday. So this, we will read it. But this, I think this is the tall. I said venti in the vlog, but I meant tall. It's the tall one of the grande that I have. Let's look. Okay. So that's the new one, and that's the grande that I have. And this is the 16 fluid ounce, so this must be the 12. So yeah, it's a tall, right? Yep. 12 fluid ounces is the tall. And it was there we go. That's the difference. And it was $14.95, which, I mean, Starbucks can charge anything, I guess. Because they're like novelty mugs. They're so nice. I love when like the size of the shop has a lot of merchandise, because the one in Manly doesn't have a ton. So yeah, they're the difference, which would be really nice to have like a smaller coffee in the morning, and then I might have Subby asked, "Oh, are you getting large coffees?" Because I guess you hear me order large coffee if I go to a coffee shop. I will never buy a small coffee, because a small coffee in Australia, like a small size, is like $3.50 and a large is like $4, and it's just I don't know. I can make it small at home, so I always just get a large. But that is my new, yay, we get to test run my new Starbucks mug. Finishing today's vlog with an attempt at a laughing cow dip. Oh, wow.
Ice cream.
Ice cream? Well, it kind of looks like ice cream. Trust you to think it's ice cream. This is what you do. You ready? You open this. What? Oh, biscuit.
cracker and dip in this. Dip, dip, dip. Watch mummy, watch mummy. Dip, 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 dip. You try. Yummy, aren't they? Dip, 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 dip. Good dipping. That was cool. Cool, dude. Okay, guys, we will see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye. Okay, bye-bye. Waving. Good boy.